So let's talk about order of operations. So when we follow order of operations, we have to follow a certain process to get the answer correct, and it's called order of operations. So the first thing you want to do is parentheses. So if there's any problems with parentheses, you do those first, and then you have exponents. If there's an exponent, you do that second. The third and fourth go together. So when you multiply or divide, they have to be whichever comes first. And then when you add or subtract, you have to do whatever comes first. When I do mine, I like to underline what I'm going to do. Now, these are both multiplication separated by a subtraction sign. I can do both of these at the same time because they don't have anything to do with each other. So what's 7 times 8? 56. And what's 3 times 5? 15, and then 56 minus 15 is 41. Now on this one, I can't do more than one thing at a time because they are all connected. And my order of operations says I would actually do this one first. Division and multiplication, whichever comes first in the problem. So now the 45 comes down. 35 divided by 7 is 5. And now I would do the multiplication, and then I would add. All right, this one, I would do parentheses first. So what is 4 plus 2? 6. Now this is the same thing as multiplication. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this as well because once again, they are independent of each other and neither one of those answers will matter. So 3 times 6 is 18, and 9 times 4 is 36. And then when you do 18 plus 36, you're going to get 54. All right, in this problem, my parentheses, no. My exponents, yes. So I'm going to do my exponents first. 4 squared is 16. And now I subtract before I add because that's what comes first. 31 minus 16 is 15. And then 15 plus 8 is 23. Now this one's a little weird because it's got both brackets and parentheses. You work brackets and parentheses the exact same way. So inside the brackets, I would do the parentheses first. So I'm going to do 1 plus 18, which is going to give me 19. And the next I would do is 19 minus 2, which is 17. Then there's nothing else to do in there. So I do my exponents. 3 squared is 9. And this is the same thing as multiplication. 9 times 17. And I didn't write 17, did I? 9 times 17 is 153. Okay, now I'm not trying to be mean. These are right from your homework, so I want you to make sure you understand how to do it. So in this particular problem, I'm going to do this exponent first. So I have, and now since these are both top and bottom, I can do things on the bottom differently than order on top. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one first as well. So the top now has 59 plus 3, 2 squared is 4, minus 1, 35 times 3 times 5 is 15, minus 11. So now I'm going to do this right here. So I have 59 plus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, over 15 minus 11 is 4. So now I've got 59, 3 times 3 is 9, and that gives me 68 divided by 4, which gives me 17. And then our last one, I'm going to go through and do all the parentheses first. So this is giving me 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 4 minus 3 is 1, over 9 minus 2 is 7, minus 3 squared. All right, let's multiply. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. And then 3 squared is 9. 45 plus 3 is 48. 21 minus 9 is 12. 48 divided by 12 is 4. And that's order of operations.